Namaskara, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. And this is a spoken Kannada lesson for adults especially. In the last few of the classes, we learned about the tenses and the negative form of it. Okay, na? So I hope you have gone through all those things. If not, I leave the playlist link here. In the playlist, you have all the lessons that I have done in for the spoken Kannada learners. Okay, please go check out all the lessons whenever you are free. Okay, na? So today we are learning few words. We are just improving our vocabulary, especially which is related to the relations. We have already done part 1 of the relations where we have learned for the father, mother, brother, sister. So here we are just adding few more words into that. So first word yavadu? The first word in that is wife. Wife andre, I'll write little down. Okay. Wife. Wife is hendati. Okay. So enagutte colloquial version it will become hendati. Hendati. Okay. ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವೈಫ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೈ ವೈಫ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ವೆಲ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೆ ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಶಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಊರು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ನೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಊರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್. ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಂಡ. ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗಂಡ. ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೈ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ರೀಚ್ ದ ಹೌಸ್. ನನ್ನ ಗಂಡ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆನ್. ಮೆನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಂಡಸು. ಗಂಡಸು ಕೊಲೋಕಿಯಲ್ ವರ್ಷನ್. ಗಂಡಸು is told for a men. Okay na? And for women, and this one you will usually see in the public toilets ali they would have mentioned that men and women. So there they might have they will mention gandasu and hengasu. Okay, men is gandasu, women is hengasu. Hengasu. Gand is gandasu, hengasu. Okay na? And this one is used for the people. And if you want to use the same thing for animals ge hodre, so we'll be using gandu. So for example, gandu bekku, male cat, hennu bekku, female cat. But this also means a male and female. Okay na? So gandu is a male, hennu is a female basically. So that's how we say it. Gandu is a male, hennu is a female. This two words usually we use it with the animals, and gandasu and hengasu we use it for the people, men and the women. I hope it is clear now for you. Okay, next one is girl. Girl is hudugi. Hudugi. Okay, boy huduga. ಆ ಹುಡುಗನ್ ನೋಡು, ಈ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ನೋಡು. So, ಆ ಹೆಂಗಸ್ ನೋಡು. ಹೆಂಗಸು is I already told you, look at that women. ಆ ಗಂಡಸ್ ನೋಡು, look at that men. So, and look at that girl. ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ನೋಡು. So, this is how you will just make up the sentences. Okay na? Okay. So, girl ಆಯಿತು, ಬಾಯ್ ಆಯಿತು, women ಆಯಿತು, men ಆಯಿತು, male ಆಯಿತು, female ಆಯಿತು, wife and husband. Okay. In the last session ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have also learned the son and daughter. I hope you remember that one. Okay. ಇವಾಗ if there is a old man, then we say mudka. Mudka. Mudka is an old man. Old women is mudki. ಆ ಮುದುಕನಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಿ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಜಾಬ್. ಆ ಮುದುಕನಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಮುದುಕಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬಡ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಡಿ ಶಿ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಶೌಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ ನಾ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ what common things usually we use it with these kind of words, that is what I can take up as examples, right? So adike I am taking these kind of examples. So usually enagirutte these thing mudka and mudki will go with the rude versions. So never ever say for any old person mudka or a mudki because that sounds very rude. So instead what we can say is very important is vayasagiroru. Vayassu agiroru. This is very difficult to remember, right? The vayassu agiroru, the one who is aged. So this can be used for irrespective the male and the female. But the easiest version is For Muduka, then you will say Tata. Okay, Tata is a grandfather basically. Ajji is a grandmother. But still, I want to be very polite in my wordings, in my language. So use Tata for an old man, Ajji for an old woman. Sorry about the background noise. But the word is, the right word is Muduka and Muduki, which we are not supposed to use because it sounds very rude. Okay na? So for example, if you see any aged person, then you can say, ಆ ತಾತನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಗಿದೆ, ಈ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತುಂಬ ಮಾತಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So but even though you mean the same sentence, whatever I told the previous one, it was the same thing, the meaning is same, but till the politeness is there. When you use ajji and tata, there is a politeness. When you use mudka and mudki, it's a very rude language. Okay na? So that's how we are learning. So last one is a teacher. Commonly teacher or the master we say as a guru. Okay, when there is a male or a female when there will be shikshaka and shikshaki, but you will mostly go with the guru. Nan gurugalu, nan max teacher, atra helbodu. That is completely fine. Okay, I will leave it here now. I hope you have understood. So be sure whenever you use the sentences, how good you have to make it. The very important thing is your tone of the language, matte the usage of our words is very important. If you are confused, feel free to contact me, either comment section alli comment maadi or write an email to me or contact me through Instagram. Make sure you are using the right words always. Okay na? So thank you so much and keep practicing anta helta. I'll meet you all with one more new session very soon anta helta. Share this video with your friends who are willing to learn Kannada, who are just started to learn Kannada, who are interested in learn Kannada. ಎಲ್ಲರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ share ಮಾಡಿ. Happy learning. See you soon anta helta. Namaskara, ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. I am really sorry about the background noise, the cat noise and the drilling noise. Namaskara. From Yashaswi Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself and all the ebooks it will be. You have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.